In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meta AI in WhatsApp. If you're trying to get Meta AI out of the way in WhatsApp, it's important to know one thing up front. In many cases, there isn't a full disable option inside the app. What you can do though is reduce its presence by muting the chat and removing it from your main conversations list. I'll walk you through both methods clearly so you know exactly what each one does. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in, find and open the Meta AI chat. After that, tap the Meta AI name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. From there, look for notifications or mute notifications. The exact wording can vary a little, depending on your phone or app version, but it will be one of those options. Tap it and then choose Always. This step is useful because it prevents notifications from the Meta AI chat. So even if the chat still exists in WhatsApp, it won't keep alerting you or interrupting you with messages. If your main goal is simply to stop seeing notifications, this is the most direct option. Now let's go over the second method, which is deleting or archiving the Meta AI chat. This won't actually turn Meta AI off, but it can help clean up your chat list and make the app feel less cluttered. Go back to your chats list in WhatsApp. Once you see the Meta AI conversation, press and hold the chat. A menu or set of options should appear. From there, tap delete or archive depending on what you prefer. If you choose delete, the conversation is removed from your chat list. If you choose archive, it's moved out of your main inbox so it's less visible but still accessible later if needed. Archiving is a good option if you don't want to see the chat all the time but also don't want to remove it completely. Just keep in mind that deleting or archiving the chat does not disable Meta AI itself. It only removes that conversation from view. So if you're looking for the closest thing to disabling it, the best approach is to mute notifications first and then delete or archive the chat afterward. That's all you need to do. By muting the chat and removing it from your main list, you can make Meta AI much less noticeable inside WhatsApp.